Hey, welcome to my live, you guys. Currently sitting here on BTC USD on the 5 minute time frame. See if we can catch any trades tonight. It's looking pretty slow at the moment, but again, we will see what we can do here. Again, we're looking for a possible uptrend by using the PSAR. Of course, we use the RSI as well, and then we use the range bars here that only move off of points and not time. So again, we're going to see how that trade goes. Again, you want to wait until you get a decent movement. All together, you have the RSI, the PSAR again, and the range bar. So we'll see if we can get a decent break out of here before I will jump into it. Again, we're using TradeXN2 is the name of the broker here. No trading fees and low spreads. If you guys want to learn more for free, you can definitely check out the Discord link in my bio. It shows out how to use TradeXN and how to use the range bars as well. Hey King, what is going on? Dustin, Humberto, Milton, Whiskers, and CM, how you guys doing? Like I said, the market is pretty flat right now. It's just kind of trending sideways, so we don't want to try to jump into that when we get some kind of movement. But again, we're going to see what the market does, because you never know what the market does, because it changes every second of every single day, and you're just looking to protect your capital at all times. Again, you only want to trade with 1% or less of your account anytime you're trading. So there's that audio signal, just said trade down now on BTC USD. We have the range bars here, they're going up, and we're catching that reversal here, saying that it is shorting. But again, we're going to watch the PSAR and the range bar, so we want all these to match if we're going to get into a decent trade. Otherwise, you just end up having confusion. So again, you always want to protect your account, like I've said, and I'll say over and over again. It's all about consistency and protecting your account. Again, only using 1%. And then use no stop losses and take profit. So when I get into a trade, which hopefully I will here soon, I do 100 points up and 100 points down is all we end up looking for. So again, we'll just end up seeing what happens. And I come on here every day too, just talk to new traders and stuff and see what their strategies are. A lot of mistakes that I see that new guys definitely make all the time is they end up trading way too much of their balance, and they end up blowing it. They lack consistency with their strategy as well. It's really important to always stick with a strategy for quite a while, a good couple of months to a year, before you switch out to something else, because you have to show whether it really works or not. If you go to a scientist, they're not always flip-flopping between things. They run results over and over to make sure that they're accurate before they have a final conclusion. You do the same thing when you're trading. It's all about mental strategy, and then emotions as well. You have to be able to control emotions. It's very, very hard to do in trading, because people get excited when they're making money or when they're losing it. So using that stop loss and take profit is really, really important as well. Hey ERA, thank you, Money. Thanks for the likes. I really do appreciate that. Thank you very, very much. So we're definitely getting a reversal here. I'm just waiting to see if this PSAR is going to flip. The RSI is starting to head down, so we may end up getting that short as well. It says right now it's going sideways, so it could do anything. MJA74, welcome to my live. So we're going to see if we can catch a little bit of a pullback here, and then a continuation down is what I'm really hoping to catch right now. Again, like I said, we're just going sideways here. We want to catch this when it breaks out, because as you can see, it's been trending right in this little pattern here. And again, you don't want to trade when it's going sideways. So thank you guys for the likes. Again, really do appreciate that. Anybody. So we just got the ETH signal, ETHUSD, saying to trade down now as well. So we have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and XRP on here as well. And then we also have like indices. You have gold and oil, the S&P 500, the Russell, and the NASDAQ, and Dow Jones as well. So there's all sorts of stuff that you can trade on here. You got Euro USD, like I said, gold, US 500 to 100. You got Tesla, Microsoft, Apple. All the rows are on here too. So again, you can check all that out. Again, it's in the link in my bio, so definitely check that out. Give me a follow. I'm on here every single day doing this stuff. So if you want to learn more, like I said, check out the link in my bio. Lou J24, what is going on? Welcome to my live. We're hoping to catch a downtrend here on BTC USD. We're just watching the sideways trend right now. We don't want to jump into anything that's sideways, of course. We want to have volume and some actual movement. So again, right now it's just sitting sideways. But I do come on here every day, and I wanted to have the opportunity before I turned off for tonight. Just for a little while, so I was already at work this evening, but again, I like to come on for a little while, see if I can catch a few trades, and since I am, I might as well be able to talk to you guys while I'm doing it. So again, if you have any questions or anything, definitely hit me up. And I apologize for my voice. I got sick this last week, so it's a little raspy. Again, sorry for that. So see, we had a pullback here. We're starting to catch this reversal here. I'm going to jump down to the 1 minute time frame. I want to see if this is starting to move. So even on the 1 minute, it's still pushing up. So we haven't even gotten a pullback on that yet. So we definitely want to get some good movement here for sure. Jermaine C, what is going on? Welcome to my live. And always too, when you guys are doing this, you always want to again set that stop loss of 1% or less. Always put your stop loss, your take profit, right? Always protect your account. Treat it like a business. You always want to protect your money, and that's what it's always about at the end of the day. Hey, Pure E boys, what is going on? We are currently trading on TradeXN. If anybody is wondering, again, low spreads and no trading fees as well. Hey, thanks for the follow. Really do appreciate that for sure. Like I said, this too, the range bars, the only move in the market is moving, and as you can see, it's not doing a whole lot because we're going sideways. Like I said, I'm not going to trade anything until we can get some decent movement here, and I'm only looking for 100 points, right? So 50 to 100. So in a slower market like this, I do 50 points, and we'll see what happens with it. But again, I'm looking for this reversal because we've already been trending in this long PSAR for quite a while here. And it's getting real close to the candle, which means it should be reversing and heading back down. But we could get a spike and it'll head up. So again, we'll see what the market's going to do. Like I said, you never know how the market can change because it can change every second of every day. You have new traders coming in all the time from all over the world making this thing move. So it takes quite a few people to do this all together, or one really big bull or bear. Anything I do is not even going to move that a little tiny bit. It takes millions of dollars to move this stuff. So again, we'll see how it goes. Puri boys, what is going on? Again, we are watching this on BTC USD. Also have gold, crypto, stocks, and forex are all on TradeXN.com. If you do decide to check it out, they are an offshore broker as well, so you have to use a VPN, and you can use Proton VPN. That is free as well. You can check that out. Is in the Discord, is in the link in my bio as well. So again, that's free to use. I try to save my capital as much as possible by finding things that don't cost anything. And so a lot of this is here as well. Again, you guys can use the range bars. They're on my server and they don't cost anything either. So definitely check that out. Hey Jason, what is going on? Welcome to my live. Appreciate you being here. Again, thank you guys for all the likes. I really do appreciate that. Again, we're just waiting to see how this is going to go. Like I said, these range bars use crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. We're just trying to catch a simple trade like 50 points because the market is being slow. And while I'm on, we may not even catch a trade. I mean, sometimes that's just the way it goes. You never want to rush a trade or push it just to make a trade happen. Only go when you actually see something worth trading. Otherwise, it's a really high chance that you're just going to lose your money. Again, using these range bars too, these have a 61% win rate. Just by catching these reversals, pullbacks, and again, listen to that audio signal as well. So we're still kind of moving up. I think we're just going to kind of go back and forth right now. And we'll just again see how that goes. again, I'm using the RSIs. We're only looking for either like 30 or 70, and that's the high and the low. All right, so if it's at 30, you're oversold. And if it's at 70, you're overbought, and you're trying to catch that reversal. Again, welcome everybody who's just joining. Again, if you have any questions, definitely ask. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow, join the Discord as well. We're at around 74, 75 people now, I think. We're trying to hit 100 people for the year. That's our goal. It's always really a good idea to have goals. Same thing when you are trading. Have a goal in place and set that take profit. That way you're not freaking out. You're not holding the button waiting just to click it. You already have that take profit there, so even if it skyrockets, you're going to hit your mark. And then the stop loss too, always protect your capital, because at the end of the day, it's all about protecting your capital at all times. This market is definitely flat. I'm sitting on the 1 minute time frame here, and it's barely moving. So let's see, it's Sunday night. Gold should be open. I wonder if we can catch anything on gold. Gold is downtrending. Oops, where's my PSAR? Yeah, so PSAR is heading down right now on the 5 minute. Let's see the 1 hour. 1 hour is heading down as well. And 1 minute's in a pullback. So we'll wait and see if we can catch that downtrend as well. Two, when you end up using the range bars, make sure you click that live button and turn on your audio as well, so that you get those indications also. So we're going to see if this is going to end up breaking. We have more movement here with gold and BTC, so we're going to stick with gold for now. And that's the nice part too about TradeXN, is you have the cryptos, the stocks, the forex, and the indices, so there's a lot to trade from. So definitely use that. It definitely gives you a lot of options as well. All right, let's see. Again, you guys, welcome to my live. Like I said, if you have any questions, definitely hit me up. I hate repeating myself over and over, and I definitely don't like dead air. So, again, if you have any questions, just definitely let me know. So again, like I always said, I always come on here. So I was trade down now on BTC USD. I'm always on here to talk to people about risk management. Over and over again, it's all about protecting your capital. A lot of people, even someone I just met, they were talking about how much they risk on their accounts. And using 8-10% is just way too much. It's too easy to blow your account. Good couple of trades and that money's gone. So only use a smaller percent, and I say that all the time, over and over. I do recommend a couple of good books as well, like The Alchemy of Finance by George Soros. A lot of this is all about the psychology of trading. Then you have Quantitative Trading by Ernest Chen, and Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. I think are three really good authors and books for you guys to read. So definitely check that out. It's like I said, we're watching gold right now. It's still trying to, looks like, try to push up on the 1 minute. And it may try to flip, in all honesty now, because we're sitting right there on that PSAR. So if I was a betting man, and I kind of am, I think this is just going to end up heading up. So let's see here. Draw a couple of lines. And we definitely have room to go down, but we're also sitting right at the bottom here, like right above it. I guess it did break below that, didn't it? Or not, it's hard to see. All right, there we go. So now we got that PSAR. See, it just flipped here, and we got the reversal here on gold as well. Let's see what was the. I always forget what this one is for gold. I think like point one. Okay. That's what we want. Okay. Alright, so we're going to jump into that trade there. Again, we're going to set that stop loss and take profit. Let's see, that's by 2. I think that was 33.68. Yeah, it's like $20. And take profit. Oops. 37. There we go. So you have that stop loss and that take profit in place. Now you just watch the market and see how it's going to go. Hey, Sammy Hode, what is going on? Again, welcome to my life here. Just jumped into a trade with gold. The PSAR just flipped here. We got that reversal here on the range bars as well. So again, and we are like oversold here on the RSI as well on the 5-minute time frame. So we're going to ride that out and see how that trade goes. And it may be slow because the market's not doing a lot because of the time. Well, you're just looking for like $50 trades. Anything can happen. Let's see, 50-point trades here. Let's see, 35, 45, 55. Denish Aurora, what is going on? Welcome to my live. Currently in a trade with gold right now, 5-minute time frame. Seeing if we can get a $20 trade out of this, but again, we'll see how the market goes. Say user 57719, what is going on? Welcome to my live. And we're just up to like 2 points here on gold. It's so much different than trading Bitcoin. That's usually what I'm trading. So just trying to usually get like 50 points, 50 to 100 points. And actually, this should have been 25. And then we're at 20. This just needs to be like, yeah.
Trade up now, BTC USD. Trade up now on BTC USD.
Sometimes I can't math. I'm going the wrong way. What am I doing? Stop loss, 35 more 33, yeah. Yeah, we'll call that good enough. Again, we'll see how this goes. Again, welcome to my live, you guys. I'm in a trade with XAU USD, which is gold. I'm trading on TradeXN. Seeing if we can get a long position here. We just had the PSAR flip to the long position. You can use the range bars, which are oversold. So I do expect that to come back up. And then the range bars here, again, they only move off points and not time. You've probably never seen these before. Most people don't show them. They're always going off just regular indicators that go off like the 5-minute time frames and stuff. But these, again, only move off points and not time. You can get all this stuff by going to the link in my bio. It only takes you email to sign up. There's no charge for it. Like I said, it doesn't cost anything. It's absolutely free. Just takes an email. So they're going to have crypto, stocks, Forex, and indices on here to trade. So definitely check that out. Again, if you guys could hit that like button, I would really appreciate it. It does help out my algorithm as well. I'm always trying to get more people in here, grow my Discord. We're around like 74, 75 people now,
Down now. BTC USD.
and we're trying to get it to 100 people this year. That's our goal anyway. Again, the Discord is free as well. It doesn't cost anything, but it's a great place to go talk to people about trading, stocks, Forex, cryptos, and all that stuff. Like friends and family don't even want to talk about it. They just get that glaze over their eyes when you mention it. So I've learned not to do that. So having a Discord to be able to go into really does make that difference. Again, like I said, we're just trading gold right now, XAU USD, looking for that long position. But the market is slow, so we're just going to see how this ends up playing out. And if you guys want to know more, as I said, just hit me up and let me know what's going on. Like I said, I have important books in here I think are important when it comes to trading. That's like the Disciplined Trader here. And then Trading in the Zone. I think both of these are really good. They're both by Mark Douglas as well. And then I don't know if you guys do any kind of cryptos, but if you hold crypto, I always advise getting them off the website and keep them like in a ledger, which I have here as well. It's called Arculus. And it ends up it works really well. This is the one I use, and it's kept my crypto really safe. So again, get all your stuff off the market. If you're looking for a ledger, then I would definitely recommend Arculus for sure. All that is in the link in my bio. You can go to the important books in the Discord, and then that's where you can get the link for that as well. And like I said, I have a whole bunch of trading videos on how to use the range bars and all that. So we have a video here of range bar chart I found really helpful. And then I made a whole bunch on reading indicators, explaining the reversals and the pullbacks, adding targets to your orders, using stop losses, take profits, setting up your charts, how to install TradeXN on your computer as well. So all that stuff is in the Discord. It's absolutely free, and it doesn't cost anything. So definitely check that out. Alright, so this decided to push back down. Like I said, you never know what the market's going to do. It's always changing every second of every day, so we may get knocked out of this trade. And like I said, range bars are 61% win rate, so this may end up being a loss here. But again, we'll see how the market goes. Like I said, it's being pretty slow right now. But I did want to come on here just for a little bit and say hi. See if I can meet any new people, introduce them to the Discord and also to using the range bars. Again, crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. We have gold and oil, the S&P 500, the Russell, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones, right? And then we have Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, and LTC USD on here as well. So let's see, what was another? You guys ever hear of crypto bubbles? There it is. Boom. So wow, the market's really down. Holy moly! So this is the top 100 cryptos right now. As you can see, everything is red. That's incredible. I don't think I've actually seen it like that. The day is red.
Trade up now.
The week is red. Okay, so they're up on the month. So ICP is up. Osmo is up on the month. ASTR, AXL. So you can get all these in one place, which is really beneficial too, and I'd really like using them. Where is my? Is that one it? Yeah. So there's Tron. I'm invested into Tron. Even that one's down a little bit. It's right around 10 cents right now. So you can see the market cap, the volume, and then it's ranked number 11 out of all Bitcoins. So it's a pretty important one. Then you got like XRP. That's ranked number 6. It's 56 cents right now. Last high was like 68 cents. Hey Chaos, what is going on? Welcome to my live. So those are definitely holding out. Like this Corgi one, that's pretty new to me. I don't think I've seen that one before. An ICP, I'm looking to start investing into ICP. It's right around $10 a share. So in the year, it's up 100. Oops, I guess we got knocked out of that trade. So ICP is up 168% on the year, 106 on the month. So it's way up. And if you imagine, if you go to the bank, it's like 0.01% in your account when you're trading. So, as I said, you never know what the market's going to do. But being able to trade into something that's got a lot more gains than the bank does, I definitely think is a better way to go too. Of course, that's just my personal opinion. This isn't financial advice. So we got some Matic going on too here. That's down for the year. That's kind of sucks. I have that one. You guys have any cryptos that you recommend? You got like what, thousands of them? Oh, we got like the top 1,000 crypto. So there's quite a few out there. I always like to go, of course, the top 100. These are the ones that are actually moving the most. Hey, M Steel, what is going on? Welcome to my live. I'm going to hang out for about 10 more minutes here, and then I'm going to jump off. As you can see, gold decided to continue on down there on the 5-minute time frame. So it could have broke out and continued back up as we had plenty of room to run, but it wanted to head down. So that's exactly why, like I always say, I always use a small percentage of my account, right? Like 0.85% is all I'm really risking. So if I lose it, it's not a big deal. I can look for that next trade, and I'm not freaking out. I'm not getting emotional. None of that kind of stuff. I have that stop loss and take profit in place. It's one of the most important things you can possibly do when you're trading. So. Hey, I'm Steel, what's going on, man? And so we just got all that traded with gold. Always looking for the next trade, so. Let's see. Hey, look who showed up. What's up, DA? Welcome to the live, man. Just got out of a trade with gold. Got knocked out of that position. Matter of fact, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a pending order in for 2030. And we're going to do a take profit of 2028. And a stop loss of 2032. There we go. So now we have a pending order in waiting, and that is a stop loss, and take profit is already there. So if it hits that mark and continues down, we may end up making some profit out of that. So let's look at crypto Corgi. Yeah, Corgi 235%. It's ranked 97. It's pretty low there in the top 100. And 0.00215. So you could buy an awful lot of that. And yeah, 235% in a month. 4% on the week. And it's had somewhat of a pullback. Let's see, 0.00211. Not too bad. I wonder if I can pull that up on. I want to look at that. Let's see, CORG. GAI. Crypto. Oh, it's not even going to come up on there. know if that's it. What was Corgi? 0.00335. Nope, that's not it. I thought that might be it. Alright, oh well. Anyway, yeah. Dinesh Aurora, what is going on? Welcome to my live. We're just checking out some crypto right now on cryptobubbles.net. Let me see, his Corgi on the month is up 235%. It's freaking awesome. Let's see, up on the week. Oops, that's how it goes. Week. Disappeared on the weekly. So that was just on the month, you know, but sometimes it's good to look farther back just to see what stuff is doing. Nothing real big on the week right now. Everything's kind of flatlining. Let's see. Yeah, Matic is down. Hex seems to be the biggest one right now for this week. Is up on the day 8.5%. It's down 64% on the year. Wow. Well, this is a pretty cool place to come though. Like I said, I like checking stuff out here on cryptos. Like even ICP is down. ICP is a pretty good one. So AXL says hour plus dominance. So this one's taking it right now in the last hour. Of course, it's not a lot, 0.04%, but hey. Yeah, something like 2,000. Or 2,000%. Let's see, KAS 2,200. INJ 2544. I mean, that's freaking incredible, right? I mean, it just absolutely blows me away of like what's moving. These are the top 100.
Trade down now. BTC USD.
Trade down now. Hey, what happened? Hey, look at that. That's awesome. So we had that. I wasn't even paying attention on gold. And we made that quick trade on that 5-minute time frame. So I made some of my money back on that last trade. That's really funny. I wasn't even watching. And that's what I'm talking about too. Use that stop loss and take profit because you can be doing other stuff like I am. I'm looking up here and it's just doing the trade for me. Definitely pretty cool. So again, check out the link in my bios. Use TradeXN. Again, I'm using the range bars here as well to tell me which way the market is going. Like I said, again, these are very linear. They're easy to use. You're just looking for that reversal from like green to red. Again, these are 20 points each, so you only look for about 5 to 10 bars, depending if you're doing like a 50 or 100 point trade. So again, that is in the link in my bio. It's free to use. I mean, go to futurecapitaltrading.net in order to get that, or again, you can go to the link in my bio. Oh yeah, for earnings, no, absolutely it does. But you know, they consider it like the wild, wild west. So a lot of people don't want to invest in it because they think it's too risky. But you know, at the end of the day, I think that's really where it's at. So it's like I have Tron. I have bought some Tron. It's up 95% on the year. So you're only down like 4% on the week. So I'm holding on to Tron. I expect that to go up. And I need to buy some more stuff right now because I mean we're getting into that bull market. So it's really, if you're gonna get in, I would definitely be getting in soon. Hey Bobby Daniels, what is going on? And Dinesh Aurora, how are you doing? We're just scoping out crypto bubbles right now. I'm going to be jumping off here very, very shortly. But you can give me a follow. I will be on again tomorrow, and we can talk more about all the crypto bubbles as well. And then trading, we have crypto stocks, forex, and indices that we trade on here on TradeXN as well. And then you can use the range bars too for free, and that helps give you direction of the market also because it only moves off points and not time. Like I said, they have gold, oil, crypto, the Russell, the NASDAQ, Dow Jones, and all that stuff is here too. So If there's any cryptos that you guys want to look at here real quick, let me know. Since I'm going to be on here for about 5 more minutes, and then I got to take off because I got to go to bed. I got to get up for work in the morning. Sol has really taken off as well, too. On the year, up 557%. It's freaking huge. It's only like $88. I mean, so imagine if you just would have bought just even just one of those when it was down. And that was the way down. Yeah, $25 to 120. I mean, it's like 3 times your money. So definitely not bad. Hey Boulders, what is going on? ATA, thank you for the likes, man. As always, I really do appreciate you doing that. Again, you guys, give me a follow. Join the Discord. Link in my bio. We're always talking about all this stuff all the time, and it's free to use. It doesn't cost anything. So again, just give me a follow and check that out. I've been hearing a lot about ICP and Link. Link as well is up 126% on the year. So even though that's not bad, I mean, it's still like $16. But I would definitely, if you guys ever look to getting into any kind of cryptos, go for ones that interest you. I think is a really good place to go as well. Is go for something that you like, because all these most of them have a reason that they are here. They're not just meme coins. It's all like Ethereum Classic. That one's down 4% on the year. It's not doing much right now. That's probably a good one to buy at the moment. Like Chainlink, like I said, is a good one. It's down for the month, but it's up 126% on the year here. So we can always try and catch like a pullback. Like INJ is up 2,500%. It was down at 850. Now it's 36. So I'd be waiting on a pullback on that, and you could always definitely catch that too. Hey, you're killing it. Jeez, thank you, man. I wonder if we can pull up INJ. I'll look at one of these at least before I go to bed. Crypto INJ tethers. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let's go on. Let me shrink that down. Gosh. Yeah, there we go. That's what I was looking for. My eyes. Alright, let's see. Yeah, so it's at like 78%. It's had a little bit of a pullback here. That's on the day chart. So I expected to pull down a little bit more, maybe right around 60%, and see if it bounces up off of 50. If it does, then I would definitely be buying in. I think for INJ. Oh yeah, there we go. So I was hoping there was another bar here. Hold on. There we go. So that's its last bottom. That it could come all the way down to, which is 23.78, and come back up. But you want to keep it above. You hope it stays above the 50 and then bounces off. So then definitely another one to look at. That's always good too. So you end up using your Fibonacci retracements, I think, too, when you're looking at this stuff for sure. That's pretty cool. But always do your research anytime that you're looking for this stuff for sure. Hey, M Steel, hey, what's going on again? And DA, thank you so much for the likes, dude. You're so funny. You're always killing it for me. Reindeer, I almost bought that one. That was up 747%. I was like, oh, it's like Christmas time. Buy reindeer. And that was $1.86, is now $4.58. So that's probably another one. I mean, if you guys don't think this isn't gonna pull back, oops, what the hell? Yeah, there's reindeer. Let me pull up my. Oh yeah, gee whiz. So that one, it's been up to 6.6. All right, all-time lows, like 27 cents. Right there. All right, so it can come all the way back down like to almost like $3, and then head back up, and it'll go all the way back up to 6. So I'd be watching this right now, honestly, and wait for this to reverse. When this, like for me, if this turns blue and starts going up, because this is downtrend right now, if this catches this reversal, I'd buy in and ride that back up. And that's not bad at like $3. Injective was only $1.30 a year ago, and now it is $41.80. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? That is so crazy. So any of these, the same with the bull market here. This could easily be a definitely a good one to catch this on its reversal, and catch this while it's down, and then ride it back up. So I said right now it's down at 353. See, I might keep an eye on that one, matter of fact. I think my wife would actually like that one just because it's reindeer. Alright, what time is it? I gotta get going to bed. It's almost midnight. I gotta be back up at 6. Burning the wick at both ends, you guys. That's what it's about, but that's how you end up making money, is you trade some sleep. So trade sleep to make success. Yeah, so BTC USD just decided to spike down here, and of course it's going to do that. Well, see, it looked like it. 5-minute time frame. That's just a pullback. It looks like it's going to continue up, but it's going to have to break out of this pattern here, and my time's up because I have to go to bed. So hey Jason, thank you for the follow. Do appreciate that. Like I said, got to provide, so it takes effort. Yep, always providing, always. The kids don't know what it takes, but just the way it is, it's sacrifice when you have family and it's the ones that you care about. So I'm gonna keep an eye here on reindeer. I'm gonna look at this in the morning. And see where this is moving. So I have my other indicator up here, so we're gonna see if that will continue up. So all right, you guys, seriously, I gotta go. Y'all have a good night. DA, maybe we'll see you again tomorrow. You have a good night. Again, thank you so much for those likes. I really mean it. I really do appreciate that. Again, you're really helping bring people into this room. Again, thank you. So hopefully I will see you all again tomorrow. I said, give me a like, give me a follow, join the Discord. As I said, it's free, doesn't cost anything. I have like 75 members in there. We're trying to get to 100 this year. Just a cool goal to have. So again, appreciate y'all. Again, I'm using TradeXN as the name of the broker. So definitely check that out. And then you can get the range bars again. Those are free to use. Just go to futurecapitaltrading.net. So, all right, you guys. Y'all have a good night. See ya.